Welcome to the Keep It Simple Astronomy channel, live stream the Dobsonian power in action. Today I have exciting news for you. Well, you think that I'm always having exciting news, but it's true. I have I choose already the new filter between the Optolong L Pro and the Baader Neodymium. I will talk about that later in the stream. And I also bought a powerful tool today. You know that I'm not an astrophotography guy, a pure astrophotography guy, because I'm lazy. I don't like to be too much time editing images. But I discovered a tool that I will talk and show you later. The effects, we will see it live. That with a click of a button, it's what I like. I'm very happy with it. With a click of a button, I get rid of the noise of the image from EAA. Some of you may know already from where I go. Now, today the weather is. I will show you the weather. I wanted to catch this opportunity today. It's Sunday. I wish I can do this every Sundays. The weather doesn't allow, of course, because we are in this hobby and everyone knows. But today it was the weather is more or less foggy, weird, but enough to work with. We don't have strong clouds. We had in the beginning of the day, but we don't have it now. We have now a bit of wind. The forecast for tonight is the wind gets stronger. I will show you one site. This site is very good. I will tell you why. Let me open for you. Look. This is what I use because it's from NASA and it's much reliable, and everything here in this site is reliable. That's it. And I don't want to talk more about that. It's zoom.earth. Most of you probably know already. This is in real time, and I'm here in the south of Europe. This is Europe. Okay. This is the Iberian Peninsula, Spain, and Portugal. I'm in the south of Portugal, near north of Africa, as some of you know, and I'm here. So we can see with the mouse, it says fog and low cloud. Yes, it's true, it's foggy. The thing is, it's not so bad for today because that tool will show that power with the image that I will capture now with fog. It will boost the noise so we can see the power of the tool. So now I will work with the 12-inch Dobsonian. I will show you over an equatorial platform as usual. I'm using now the 12-inch more these days because of that choice of the filter and comparison. I will make a good video with the image, different images, not with technical stuff, waves and that technical specs, but the images with the portal, with the moon, without the moon, with fog, with clouds. I will show all those images on my video. It will take a while to edit that video, but it will be a very, very powerful video for the people that live on Portal 4, 5, 6 and want to buy the L Pro and are not sure about that, or the Baader Neodymium. So I will work today with this Dobsonian. It's outside with an equatorial platform. Today I'm testing one thing. I've noticed it in the last two live streams that more at the end of the stream something weird happened because the sound got messed up. I don't know why. Something was messing with the sound. I'm testing today without the all sky camera outside. I usually have the all sky camera camera pointing to the telescope, to my setup with my ZWO 224. I use the ZWO a lot for all sky, but today I choose not to use it, and I will see if it has any impact of the on the sound, if the streaming the sound will be stable all the streaming. I may not use it again to show, just to show the telescope. It's here, it's what you will see, but during the night. Now let's prepare. I will just connect the equatorial platform, and I will point. Maybe let me see the objects we have. The Sombrero Galaxy, it's very beautiful, but it's still low in the sky. Let me open Stellarium. Hold on. Stellarium. Let's see. Sombrero. Yeah, it's too low in the sky. It's about 9 degrees. It's too low. But we can have, let me see the Thor's nebula, Thor's helmet. Yes. The Thor's helmet is a bit above of Sirius star, and it's at 38 degrees. So it's good. I have today. I have to have the telescope pointing up because of the fog, the low fog. The sea, it's with fog, so I will need to point a bit up. It's pointing south. It's good because it's near the sea to contrast that problem. So I will point now the Dobsonian to the and I will use again. Now I always use the trick, the new push tool I have, a very very powerful tool. Also, I think some people misunderstood the meaning of this tool. I did the last video in last Friday was about that, and some people thought that the people that like me like to stargazing and star hoping and learn the sky, and we still learn the sky, we still star hope. That's precisely what I'm going to do now. The only thing is, being a faint nebula like the Thor's helmet, I can't see through the finder or even through the camera. I have to boost the histogram to see something, and that's for that situations that this is a powerful tool. It's not, you don't miss the star hoping feature. Hello, good night, Quasar. Good evening. No, Quasar, we will not see the sombrero because it's too low. We will see now. I will point to the Thor's helmet here. Let's see. Hold on a minute. I will connect SharpCap first and the camera. It's already there. So we can follow. I will take this. We don't need it. I just need to SharpCap. Connect the camera. It's not tracking yet. It's focused because I was before dinner. I already dinner. Here it's almost 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. I was watching the sky and it's already focused. So probably, but I will point to the star, to Sirius, to see first. Let's see. It's not focusing. It was the weather, maybe. No. Now it's connected to the platform. No, it's not focused, clearly. Now I will show you. I will use, as always, this remote, a simple remote that I have to the autofocuser. You see, when I click the buttons, it will change. It's for comfort only. Yes, during the night, the focus may change, of course. And it's cold outside. It was not during the day. During the cool down, the Dobsonian was in a hot, I think it's okay, in a hot environment, but now it's too cold. A bit more, you see the star. I'm okay, it's fine. And now, as I want to insist and learn that that new push to, I will show you. We will just connect the telescope here. Connect, as you saw in the video. And it's here, telescope. I call it telescope. You can call whatever you want. So I now should be open already, ASCOM. Yes, it's open. This is automatically open. It's very nice, this. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this brown circle near the Thor's helmet. So down. Now I click on left because it's like that. I click left and it goes to the right. Doesn't matter. Okay. You see? It's more or less there. The Thor's nebula is here. I don't need to place closer because, as according to Robin from SharpCap, it's within 15 degrees. 15 degree will be more or less 4 Telrads. So it will be more or less this area. You see? It's very nice. Now I will point with SharpCap, star hoping, as some people didn't understand that. I will star hope the same way as I do every night. And then I will ask for help. Oh, look, a cluster. Let's see. SharpCap, I will show you. I will push SharpCap here. Okay, I just do like this. Click off a button like this. It's plate solving. Wait a bit. It's found in many stars. Of course, here it is a cluster. Solving. When the weather is bad, like today, did not solve. Okay, solved. Now I go to, I'm here, you see? He pushed to the real place. SharpCap informed now Stellarium, and Stellarium knows from SharpCap that I'm here. So I will change. I like to do like this. I will change the Telrad to the camera, so I can see more or less how many screens screens I have to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bit to the right. So let's see if I can do it. Let's put sharp cap again. Okay. Yes, it's Caroline's cluster. This cluster here, it's Caroline's cluster. I like to watch the clusters with an eyepiece, not with a camera. Well, with a camera, it's okay. The wind is increasing. The wind is increasing, and the clouds are coming. We don't have much time, but it's enough. So let's see again, sharp cap, again. Plate solved, click the button. Now it will update the position, and will inform again Stellarium already. It's the green bar, and I will push Stellarium here for you to see. Okay. I moved too much. I'm here, so I have to go down a bit. Let's see. We have clouds, but it will be okay. I will do it again. Plate solving. I take more time because I want you to see on the screen what I'm doing. It's the fun of it. Solved. You see the green bar. I move again I open again Stellarium, and I'm almost there. It's just a bit to the right. Let me see if sharp cap can identify. I boost already the mini histogram to see if I can see. It's a bit to the right. Let me see. Oh, we have clouds. You see how good it is? Now I will show you. Live stack. It's windy today. I will try just 8 seconds to see if I can. If not, I low to 4 seconds. You know how I work. Let's see the 8 seconds. I will not risk the 10. Okay, the frame is okay. The stars are more or less rounded. They are fine. It's a good frame. Let me see the filter. Yes, 6. The night as it is, it's 6 and above because of the clouds. It's a layer of thin clouds, and there are clouds spread all over the sky that are coming with the wind. But hopefully we can, at least this image, we can see. Now, histogram, I will push to the left for you to see, because you probably will not see. No, I can't. Yes. No, I can't. Yes, I can. For you to see, let me see if you can see. Yes, you can. Here, the color, the thunderbolt. Okay, color. You see the the curves here align. And now the beautiful part, the auto stretch. Bang. You see? Look how awful it's noisy, too much noise. It's the sky today. The transparency is awful, but it's like that. There's always something. The perfect night. If we wait for the perfect night, we are done. As long as we can watch something. Now let's adjust the color, and I will tell you the filter I'm using. That's the filter I choose. For the ones that are coming right now and didn't know that, I bought to Astro Shop in Europe 2 filters: the L Pro, the Optolong L Pro, and the Badr Neodymium. First, I bought the L Pro, and then I bought the Neodymium with the agreement, let's say like that, the agreement that I would return the one that I will not want. So I made loads of tests. I will do a special video about that, and I choose the Badr Neodymium. It was the one that has the characteristics that work better for me. It doesn't mean that will be the same for you. That's why the video about it is very important. Now let's play with the histogram. The black level, it's this one at the middle here, the top of the curves. You see, if I move to the left, look what happened. If I move too much to the right, look what happened. Now, here it's the way to go. And this one, if I move to the right, look what happened. If I move to the left too much, look what happened. Look the noise. So what I will do is more or less here, usually is when these curves that are linear, they are perfect curves. And when they start here downside to get messed, it's more or less there that we should work. And then if you can push a bit to the left to increase the detail without having too much noise. It's only this, and it's always like this. Now we can play with the color. We can see, I see that you can see also that the color is too much, the tint is reddish, so a reddish tint. I come here to the right, you see here. This is for the people that don't know. So most of you know already if you watch my videos and live streams, but many of you don't know the new ones. You see here the bars with the colors. The one fully at the right, it's the saturation. I like to have a bit of saturation. I like to crank up the saturation, not too much, because it will be a fantasy, no, like a unicorn. I don't like that. It's not realistic, but enough to have the color. I love to see the color in the objects in the sky. And then the blue, the green, and the red. We will lower the red a bit. Look what happened. You see? And the curve here, this is too much. The curve here goes to the left. Now I want to align with the white one. So I will touch here a bit. You see? If you touch, if you click and do click by click, it's easier. Okay. And now what we have both lines, the green and the red line, align with the white. It's what we want. It's the white is our reference, but the blue is too much to the right. So we got to push it a bit to the left. Let's lower the blue. It's too much. The blue usually can be a bit to the right. It depends on your skies. Mine today needs a bit of blue. You see? And while you do this, you check the nebula. Let me stop this. Okay. You see? Um, the thing is, I have two monitors, and one have one color, and the one that you are seeing, it's a television that I have. It's an old television. It was broken. Has no sound, and it's a regular LED television. And I decided to use it for this. One more thing we have to do is, I like to do, go to the enhancement tab and click on bilateral filter, which works fine with this nebula. Maybe because we don't have many white bright uh, in this, like we have in the galaxy core, white or yellow, too much bright. We don't use the unsharp mask. But in this nebula, we will try. Let's click on the unsharp mask. Yes, it works well because it blows the white, but not in this case. Now we will check the filter. It's working more or less. Yesterday, it was raining. Then after the rain, I placed the telescope outside, and it was brilliant. This filter on focus was about the number was about 4 or 5. It's the perfect number for me here. Now it's working fine. I think we may crank down the blue a bit more. Yes, we can. Along the stacking process, we will change, maybe this may change also. If you have light pollution, if you live in a city, this EAA for people that live in big cities is great because allow you to watch what you can't with an eyepiece. You can only bright objects, and but the histogram will try to go to the right with the light pollution. So there are tricks to deal with that, with the gain and then the exposure. You play with that. So now we have 7 minutes, and after I will stack a bit more, and then I will use the tool that I will tell you now what is it. The tool I bought is, most of you know much better than me, it's the Topaz. The Topaz Denoise. I use the Topaz Denoise and the Topaz Sharpen sometimes. I test already. I test first. They have a trial version. I test with a trial version in a lot of different objects I had here, different images, and I like the results, so I bought it. And now I test already both of them. One is good for everything, and the second one, the Sharpen, is good only for some objects. We have to try it. The color is okay. Don't forget to give like to the live stream meanwhile, to boost and see if more people that needs help in this information and receive this information can receive it. Hello, Gustavito. Gustavitosa. It's a Portuguese name. Today you are not too much to speak. That's okay. It's Sunday. Now I'm seeing a bit of red here around, and this is, I think it's the nebula. Yes, it's the nebula, the faint nebula around the. Look, this noise, all of this noise here, around here, will be treated in a click of a button in just a second. We have already 9 minutes and 28 seconds, 36 seconds. I will wait until 10 minutes. It's almost there. And I will save, beg your pardon. And I will save the image. Oh, I like it like this. So one more frame. And you will see the power of the save exactly as seen. It's done. Let me check if I can do something more here before. Yes, I will save another image, more noisy, but with more detail here to see how it works in Topaz. One thing I want to tell you, some of you may think, oh, he bought a software I don't want to buy. I've already, I was doing this, what Topaz do, for free. And you can do it for free. You don't have to pay anything to do what I'm going to do now. The thing is, with Topaz, I've compared and I've noticed that the difference is it's not too much, but it's different. It's much better with the Topaz. Before that, I was using the Photoshop Express, which is on the Microsoft Store for free. It's a basic software, and I will work on the image now. It's very fast, and you just have to click on two bars there, nothing else. If you're like me that don't like the mess of the editing, now I will stop the live stack. You see, without the stacking, we see nothing here. It's horrible. Now, let's do like this. I will close Sharp Cap first. It's better like this. You see, when I close Sharp Cap, the ASCOM disappeared. Now I will open. First, I will do the old way, the free way. This is free. You can do it for free, and it's very nice and very simple to do. Let me just Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop Express. Here. I will just open the picture. Hold on. I saved 2 pictures, no? I will open the last one. This one. You see all of the noise. So I will open with Adobe Photoshop Express. You see? It opens like this. First, you just crop. Because of the rotation and the bad tracking, we crop a bit. This is the old-fashioned way that I do for free, that I usually do. You do like this, okay? And then you click here, and you go all the way down to these details. You click on details, and then here. These two, reduce luminance noise and reduce color noise. Mainly this one. Look what happened with reduce luminance noise. You will see. Look, I will crank almost all up. Look, you see? The noise is, but it cuts a bit of detail. In this case, you see that it didn't cut a lot of detail. You can crank up. And then the color noise, the same. You see, this was the old way. I will save just for us to compare at the end. Hold on. Okay, I will save it. Hold. Okay. Now, let's do the trick with... I will open Topazio, the Denoise AI. You see, I just have to do this. Click here. Then open the picture that I want. It's the same, the last one. Open it. See? And now look. It's working with the different filters it has. Zoom to fit. Okay. I will use this one, so I just need the low light. You see the original and the new one. The original and the new one. It's hard to see on the screen, but you can see something. New one. Now I just have to save. And that's it. And now, if you want, you open the Sharpen. Now I have already a good image saved in a fast way without messing with stuff. Now I close this software. I open the other one, which is the Topaz Sharpen. We will try in this nebula. It's very nice. You'll see. I will browse the image again, which is... This is very nice. Especially with galaxies. It's amazing. You will see. No, I opened the old one. I will open... I don't want the old one. I will open the one that I treated already now. From the Denoise. It takes 2 treatments in this case. So I will work on the new one. I think it's that one. The problem with the Sharpen is this, the stars. Look, it's the first day I work with this, so very blurry, autofocus. Here we can change at the right the way it works. I will reduce this to see. No, this is not. No, it's a new one. Yes, it's a new one. Yes, it's a new one. And I will choose maybe this one. The one that I like most. Or maybe this one. And now I will save. Save. I have already one here. It's from the afternoon. This one I don't need. I will uncheck now. Now we will compare. I like this kind of stuff, to click a button and that's it. I don't like to waste time with editing pictures. Now let's see. Let's compare the images. The 3 images. The old one. The original. The old one. The original. I want the original also. Hold on. The save as seen from SharpCap, full of noise. Here at the left. The old one. You see? And then the new ones with Topaz. So let me see. With the first treatment. Okay, we just put it here for now. And the last one. Okay. Now I will reduce the size here. Let's see how it worked. Another one. I will zoom. I don't know. I'm not sure if you are watching in your device, and this is live streaming, has not the quality of a video. So here the original one, full of noise. Here the treatment, the old treatment I do for free with Photoshop Express, the one that everybody can do. And here the first treatment, the Topaz Denoise at the left, the bottom left, and bottom right, the second treatment over this one to sharpen. I can see the difference here, but maybe you can't because of the quality of the stream. I will try to. You see, this has lots of noise. This one is better. And these two, of course, they are much more defined. I don't know if you can see the difference. See the details. Let's see the helmet. Let's see the helmet. Look here, the helmet, you can see clearly the noise. You see? Look at this, all of this noise. The save as seen from SharpCap. Look here, all of this noise. And now with Photoshop Express, it's much better. With just 2 tweaks, you saw 2 seconds. You can use it for free, and it's good. If you are a guy that like astrophotography, you will do much more things with Pix inside Photoshop. I don't like that, so that's why. And now the other one, you see, with the denoise, look the difference. Even here we can see from the old Photoshop to the denoise, this is much more clean. You can see this, I'm sure. Look, here with the Photoshop, we still get a bit of noise, but here with the denoise, look, much better. And the difference here is the sharpness, which will mask the stars, but will give more sharpness to more details to this. It will still have no noise or less noise, and you can see that. Let me see, for example, here. You see, here you can see. You see the right one. Look, it's subtle details, but in a galaxy, for example, they will be very well noticed. I will show you. See? Very nice trick. Very nice. I'm very happy to buy this. I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is what I like and what I think that you can use if you like me. You just want to push a button and that's it. I will show you the difference I have here the Sombrero Galaxy with the old method with Photoshop, and now with a new, for you to see. Look the difference of it. This is amazing. That's why, and now with the Galaxy season, hold on. Let me show you better. With the Galaxy season starting, this is the same one. It's not this one. Let me open again. I changed the image. It's this one. I will zoom. See? Look, you can see the difference. Hello, Edward. Welcome. What happened to my chat? Something happened to my chat. I reload it. Let me see. Yes, it's called also the Duck Nebula, the previous one. I like to call it the Thor's head. Thor's head. But yes, it's very nice. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference between the Photoshop Express method? This is treated, the noise. And the Topaz, it's wonderful. Now let me check outside if we can see one more object. I'm not sure if the clouds. That's why I like the spring and the summer. We are outside and watching everything. I will open again SharpCap. Probably the platform it's over already. I don't know. Let me check first the clouds. No, we have clouds. I can't show you because I don't have the all sky camera outside. But we have clouds, so this is the end of our live stream. Hopefully, or thankfully, we could show you the Thor's helmet and the effects of the new tool I have, the Topaz, Denoise, and Sharpen, and also to inform you that in advance, before I make the video, that I choose between the Baader L Pro, Optolong L Pro, and the Baader Neodymium. I choose the Neodymium, and I've returned to AstroShop in Europe, in Germany, the Optolong L Pro. I will make a video about that, so I'll see you soon. Thank you very much for being here, and see you soon. Have a very nice week and clear skies.